5 horrible habits that are destroying your skin. Number 1, you're eating way too much junk food. What you eat is how you look like. It's the basic rule, right? So you want to eat as much healthy as you want if you want to have a clear skin without breakouts, without any acne. You want to have completely clear without using any products. Eating healthy will help you with that. Second is that you're not washing your face twice a day. Throughout the day, when you function, when you work, when you go to work, when you go to school, when you are playing outside, exercising, or sweating, dirt is going on your face. All of those things are coming onto your face and then they stick to it. And if you don't wash your face when you're going to bed, then all that bacteria will stay there and it will damage your skin, it will create acne, breakouts, and all of those things. So you don't want that. Okay, you want to take care of yourself, and so wash your face twice a day to prevent this from happening. Number 3, you're not drinking enough water. We are human beings, and if you want to have a clear skin and if you want to look as much presentable as possible, you want to drink loads of water. Your skin will be more moisturized, and that's it. Number 4, you are constantly touching your face. If you have dirty hands from your work or from your phone or from your keyboard, it could be anything, okay? There is dirt literally everywhere. Every time you touch your face, when you touch those things, it's gonna create acne on your face. Eliminate touching your face and touch your face only when you have to with clean hands. And finally, number 5, you're not getting enough sleep to look presentable. And if you want to have a clear skin, then maintaining a good quality sleep will help you to have a clear skin and have an attractive body. Follow for more tips.